Number 1. 1991 Ford Ranger, price $7,400, equipped with a 4.0L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. Finished in red with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has approximately 164,000 miles on the odometer. Although the mileage may continue to increase since it is still being driven regularly, the truck is a two-owner vehicle, with the original owner purchasing it new in California. It currently holds a clean and clear title in the seller's name. According to the seller, the Ranger runs, idles, starts, drives, shifts, and stops exactly as it should. It performs well both around town and on the highway, and it can sit idling for extended periods without overheating. Recent maintenance completed within the last 2 months includes a fresh repaint, new spark plugs, ignition cables, ignition coil, fuel pump, and fuel filter. The transmission shifter has also been rebuilt, and the truck now rides on a brand new set of General Grabber tires. Number 2. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has 107,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable gasoline engine. It features a red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, giving the truck a classic and well-kept appearance. Mechanically, the truck is in great condition with the engine and transmission operating perfectly. The steering and suspension feel tight, and there are no known mechanical issues. It maintains good oil pressure, does not overheat, and leaves no oil leaks on the driveway. The air conditioning blows cold, while the heater works properly for colder weather. The paint still shines nicely, and the interior is exceptionally clean for its age. The biggest cosmetic flaws are a slightly pushed-in right front fender and some light hail damage on the hood. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 presents itself as a solid, dependable classic pickup that has clearly been well maintained. Number 3. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, equipped with a strong 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 216,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered pickup remains impressively clean and well-preserved for its age. It features a classic white exterior combined with a blue interior that still presents beautifully and reflects how well the truck has been cared for since new. This truck has remained all original since 1995 and has clearly been exceptionally maintained throughout the years. The interior looks nearly brand new, showing very little wear and giving the impression of a much lower-mile vehicle. Mechanically, the truck runs very strong, drives smoothly, and handles exactly as it should. It has consistently been serviced using full synthetic 5W30 oil and recently received new tires and brakes, adding even more value and reliability. Number 4. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500. Comes equipped with an automatic transmission and has 265,000 miles on the odometer. It features a red exterior paired with a matching red interior and runs on gasoline. The truck has received a significant amount of recent maintenance and major component replacements. It includes a brand new transmission, newer rear differential, newer alternator, new brake lines, new fuel lines, and a new fuel pump. The tires are also in excellent condition with only around 1,000 miles of use. Currently, the truck has a cracked distributor that is causing a timing issue, so the distributor will need to be repaired or replaced before the vehicle can be reliably daily driven. Aside from that issue, the truck has been well maintained and has had many important mechanical parts updated. Number 5. 2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,600, comes with 147,000 original miles, an automatic transmission, and a black exterior paired with a black leather interior. Powered by a strong 5.3L V8 engine, this truck has been family-owned for years and has proven to be a solid and dependable daily driver. It holds a clean title, with registration valid through November, and has never been involved in any accidents. The transmission was professionally rebuilt less than 1,000 miles ago and is still under warranty, giving the next owner added peace of mind. The truck shifts smoothly, runs strong, and performs exactly as it should, with videos available showing it driving, accelerating from 0 to 60, and coming to a complete stop. Additional recent maintenance includes a new radiator and a new coolant reservoir. With its clean black-on-black appearance, reliable drivetrain, and well-kept condition, the Silverado stands out as a strong and dependable full-size pickup. Number 6. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,200, dependable full-size pickup with 411,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a gasoline engine, a green exterior, and a tan interior. The engine was rebuilt at 372,000 miles and bored .30 over, while the truck also features 4.11 front and rear gears, an Eaton TrueTrack rear differential, and a fully functional 4WD system. Additional upgrades include Viper remote start, keyless entry, Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and a trailer brake controller. The tires were replaced at 393,000 miles and remain in good condition. AC and heat both work well, although the compressor is noisy and may need replacement soon. The truck does have some cosmetic wear, including fading paint, small dents, and a cracked windshield. Number 7. 1999 Toyota Tacoma, price $5,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and has 275,000 miles on the odometer. It features a gold exterior paired with a brown interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck has received extensive maintenance and upgrades over time. Recent replacements include spark plugs and wires, OEM shifter bushings, OEM upper and lower ball joints, harmonic balancer and front seal, OEM water pump and fan clutch, radiator, cooling fan and shroud, condenser, dryer, headlights, bumper, grille, and carrier bearing. A new battery with a 3-year warranty was installed last month. The previous owner also replaced the proportioning valve and driveshaft. The seller includes a box of receipts along with extra parts, showing the amount of care and maintenance invested in the vehicle. Number 8. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,850, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable gasoline engine, finished in a gold exterior with a matching gold interior. This is a 2WD single-cab long bed truck that has been family-owned and has spent its entire life in the South. It runs and drives flawlessly, with a straight body and paint that still presents well for its age. Aside from one small dent on the passenger side fender, the truck remains in solid condition, with only minor surface rust underneath. The truck does have a few known issues. The passenger window does not roll down, the speedometer works sporadically, the radio is inoperative, and the AC system will need to be converted to the newer style Freon. The truck also comes with a clean Mississippi title. Number 9. 2001 Chevrolet S10, price $6,000, powered by a reliable 4.3L Vortec engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. With only 61,000 miles, this gasoline-powered truck has been well maintained and runs and drives great, shifting smoothly through all gears. Finished in white with a black interior, it presents clean overall with only minor paint fading and cosmetic imperfections consistent with age. The truck recently received an oil change last week, and the tires remain in good condition. The frame is solid with no rust issues, while the body shows no major damage. It also comes equipped with a roof rack, adding extra utility and style. The current owner is selling simply because there is no longer a need for two trucks. Number 10. 1994 Ford F-150, price $4,700. This truck has 172,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a gray interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives well and has been primarily used as a garbage and dump runner. Several maintenance items have recently been completed, including a new fuel filter, oil pan gasket, oil pump, shift forks, blower motor resistor, and upgraded LED headlights. While the truck remains fully usable, it does need a door handle, hood latch repair, and a power steering pump. As an older truck, it does have some cosmetic imperfections, but it still serves as a dependable work truck or affordable daily beater. It also comes with a clean title.